Good evening. This is day 12, evening meditation on our Hildegard program. And as per usual, whenever you're ready, please close your eyes. Turn your attention inward and upward. Allow yourself to arrive into the here and now. Release the craze of the day, all the happenings, the disturbances, the happy times, everything that the day held you. Allow them to dissipate into the nothingness. On each out breath, just release and let go all thoughts, feelings, noises, disturbances, anything that doesn't serve you right now. And as you arrive to the here and now, you turn your attention upward with ease and grace, looking into oneness, searching the connection with the source of all loving light and sound, the heart of the universe, the heart of God, the heart of the divine presence. Name it as you like. And from the source, a beam of light, white and golden, pours down on us, surrounds us, holds us, fills us with loving and forgiveness. We feel being held, embraced, loved, forgiven, being accepted just as we are in this very moment. And with that, we open to the wonderful words of Hildegard von Bingen. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark. Make friends with the silence of the night. You are in an open field as this night begins. There is a stone table. Place on it all the moments of this day in which you have allowed pride to overtake your soul. In silence, wait for the dawn. It comes in splendor, rolling back the night, filling the room with brilliance, with flashes of purple lightning. The table is bare. We just allow these words to support us, to guide us. We take them all in. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gift, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. Thank you for meditating and praying with me tonight. Have a blessed night. Baruch Bashem.